Assalamu alaikum. So, I met Mariam today, and what she said is she was unable to present at our Peace and Unity conference in Abuja. She was very sad. So I told her, don't worry about that. We will get so many people to actually send you so much of love and so many beautiful comments, because we will post whatever you had to say there online, inshallah. So Mariam, let's present. What were you going to say? Nice and loud. Bismillah.
To live a fulfilled life on earth, we must discharge our duty to our Creator, serve Allah and be of immense benefit to humanity. Truly, the essence of Islam is to serve Allah and do good to your fellow creatures. Love Allah and your neighbor. Serve Allah and join not any partners with Him.
MashaAllah.
And do good to your parents, kinsfolk, orphans, those in need, those who are near and those who are strangers. Quran chapter 4 verse 36. Be there for others, especially the orphans. The Prophet ﷺ has spoken the truth.
MashaAllah. How old are you?
10.
10. MashaAllah. Are you happy now? Yes. MashaAllah. So you were unable to present? Inshallah, let's see. All the love and the beautiful comments you receive. May Allah bless you, give you barakah, goodness, and keep going. Your message was so good. It's from Quran and Sunnah. All the best, Mariam. Assalamu alaikum.